Weather outlook is for eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland with the exception of Garrett County. Day 1.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:51 p.m., a cold front was located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles north of Key Bridge to 38 nautical miles northwest of Leesylvania State Park, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard: sudden onset of westerly wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: observed wind. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Leesylvania State Park, Quantico, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mathus Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Fort Washington, Swan Point, Colonial Beach, National Harbor, Cobb Island and Alexandria. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KHB36, broadcasting. Wind gusts. The gusts should persist for 2 or 3 hours before diminishing. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:17 p.m., a cold front was located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 23 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: sudden onset of westerly wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: observed wind. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Mangatee River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hartmiller Island and Gibson Island. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. A statement from the National Weather Service. A strong cold front was crossing the Blue Ridge Mountains as of 3:30 p.m. This front marks the leading edge of 40 to 45 miles per hour wind gusts. The gusts should persist for 2 or 3 hours before diminishing somewhat later this evening. The front will be near I-95 roughly from Reisterstown to Quantico by 6 p.m. and to the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay by 7 p.m. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding listening area. Rest of this afternoon, partly sunny with scattered showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles.